Welcome! In the next few minutes, you'll turn a blank VCV rack into a speaking synth. Let's dive in. First of all, get comfortable. Zoom with Control +-. Or open View, Zoom, and slide. Same menu lets you tweak cable opacity, tension, and room brightness. Set the view so everything feels clear. 2. Open the module browser. Right-click anywhere in the rack. That's Control-click on a Mac trackpad. The browser appears. Use the top bar to filter by brand, name, or most used. Search box on the left is your friend. Type filter, delay, anything. For now, stay in the fundamental library. It's rock solid and free. 3. Add a sound source. In the search bar, type VCO. Click VCO, it drops into the rack. Drag it where you like. 4. Add an output. Right-click again, search audio. Pick the plain audio module, 2-channel stereo. Click the menu inside it that says No Device. Choose built-in output or your interface or headphones. 5. Patch it up. On VCO, find the sine wave jack. Look for the tiny black outline. That means output. Click the jack, drag the cable to audio in. Release. You should hear a steady tone in both speakers because in left is pre-wired to in right. 6. Play safely. Turn audio level to 12 o'clock. That's unity gain. Go past noon only if you need extra volume. Red lights mean clipping. Now twist VCO frequency for beat sweeps. For exact numbers, right-click the knob and type a frequency. Well, that's it. Your first sound in VCV Rack. In the next video, we'll add envelopes, filters, and a splash of reverb. See you there.